Hi guys, welcome back to the Craft Scraps. I am Lauren and today we are going to talk transfer tape. Before I get into that, just public service announcement. I talk a lot with my hands. I don't know why. This is just, even before I got this beautiful, beautiful ring on my finger, I just always talk with my hands. So it's like a nervous tick. I don't know what it is, but I cannot just like sit with my hands in my lap, but I will try because it is quite distracting. So today there's no craft, there is nothing that I'm actually doing, but I have gotten 1,001 questions on the transfer tape that I use, and I know there's a bunch of other ladies working with Auntie Tay that use the same transfer tape, and we all swear by it. So because I've gotten so many questions, I thought I would jump on here and just do a video on it. I'm not like gonna use it necessarily. Well, maybe I'll do like a couple things to demo, but I just wanted to show you what it is, why I like it so much, where you can buy it, and how you can get 10% off. So with that being said, let's get into it. Okay, so this is the holy grail of transfer tape. So basically what this is Auntie Tay sent me this roll. I do work with her. She did send me this as a gift, as some happy mail. I did not purchase this, but that does not make a difference. This video is not sponsored by her. I just love this stuff so much, and I wanted to just answer any questions that you guys have had on it. So basically what it is this is a roll, so you can see how thick the roll is, and basically all it is it's a masking transfer tape. So it's basically like masking tape, but it works as transfer tape. A couple of nice things that I like about it is, one, it doesn't have a carrier sheet, so you can just peel and pull what size you need, tear it, cut it, whatever, and you're good to go. So not that the carrier sheet is that big of a deal, but it's just one thing that I like about this. It's unnecessary paper that we don't need to use, so that's why this is great. So you could also peel, how much you need, how little you need. It's great. Another reason I like it so much is, and other transfer tapes have this quality too, not just this one, but it is quite reusable, meaning if you are taking off multiple pieces of vinyl and you don't want to waste transfer tape, this is great. I think I can't remember what video it was. I'll try and find it. Maybe it was the last coffee mug I did. Anyway, I peeled and pulled it multiple times with multiple pieces of vinyl, and it worked great. I think I probably got like 4 peel and pulls. I don't know. I don't know how else to describe it. Peel and pulls out of it. So it's great. It's super handy. I've had this, I don't know how long I've had this for, maybe like a couple months, and I feel like I've barely put a dent in it, and I've done quite a few crafts with it. Also, just probably the biggest highlight about this transfer tape is it peels off like butter. I don't know what it is, but it peels so easily. I'll drop in a video right now of something I did this morning, and I used I think 2 pieces of transfer tape because the piece of vinyl I was using was quite large, and it peeled off like it peeled off so quickly. It was amazing. It was amazing. It was like magic, basically. No, but it was great. It doesn't. I don't have the issues like with some other transfer tapes. I won't mention any names that are almost too sticky. So it's really difficult to, once you have everything transferred, to actually pull it off what you're transferring your vinyl onto or your stencil onto. So this is like, it's like butter. I haven't had to peel up any paint. I haven't had anything like that. So the only con, I guess, about this transfer tape, well, maybe two. So the first is that it is only this big. It is only this wide, so maybe about 6 inches. So if you're doing something large, you have to use a couple of pieces. But honestly, it doesn't seem to affect the integrity of like the stencil or whatever you're doing. It you just kind of put a couple layers on. Again, I'll show you what I did this morning where I had to do that, and it was fine. It didn't matter at all. The second con, and this is just kind of like tongue-in-cheek, is that I can only find it on Anti-Tay, so I have to order it and wait for it, and I'm not very patient, so that part is hard for me. But other than that, this stuff is amazing. I'll link it below. You can get it from antitay.com, and she has a bunch of other great stuff on her website as well. To get 10% off, you can use my code. I'll list it right here too, but it's the craft scraps, all lowercase, and you can get 10% off, which basically saves you on shipping. So you might as well load up your cart because you can get 10% off your whole order. Other things that she has that I would recommend to use with this is she has tons of vinyl. She has stencil vinyl, which is also great. Paint, oh my god, the paint colors. These are my, no, I had another new paint color. I don't know where it went. These are like my newest paint colors from her. Oh my god, they're from the Creative Sister, but she sells them. They're so beautiful. The video that I've been showing, that is what I used. These colors are just stunning. So anyway, I digress. Alright, you guys, so that is going to conclude this video. I just wanted to jump on here really quick and talk to you about the best transfer tape ever, because I get asked about it at least a gazillion and one times or something. So I hope this answers your question. Don't forget my discount code, and I think that's it. So happy crafting.